My name's Rob, and I'm the writer on the show, so I adapted Peter Pan from J.M. Barrie's original. The theatre themselves chose Peter Pan, and they asked me to come on board because of the work I'd done for young people. Done lots of theatre for young people. And I think what inspired me about Peter Pan was trying to take that original, that Victorian original, and make it something that a young person today would want to watch, because I've seen it before and it doesn't always grip a young person at all. It doesn't always get them. And I wanted to make it something that especially, say, a 7-year-old girl could actually watch and go, yeah, this is exciting, and gives them a different view of, say, what a girl is maybe, or what a boy is, from the original.
So now you're staging it and going through all the rehearsals. How are you finding that? Is it your vision on stage?
I love this bit of the process because you get to work with people, and I think when you're making theatre, the best bit is working with other people, getting their ideas and watching it change. I'm not someone that likes it to be exactly, my idea, because my ideas aren't everything. They're not good. They're not good enough, really. The ideas are best when everyone comes together with what they're good at. So this is my favourite bit.
And what are you most looking forward to about the next couple of weeks?
I'm really looking forward to having a go at flying. When they get the rig in to be able to fly the actors, I really want to have a go, because I've always wanted to be able to fly. And I really love the bit where all the lights come onto the show and the sound comes in. We're just doing some now, actually. We're seeing what the composers come up with, and we're trying to just making sure it fits, make sure it's right, see what he has to go away and work on. And I love this bit because I start to hear the whole world comes together.